The future of air combat is arriving sooner than we think, and the F/A-XX 6th generation fighter jet is leading the charge. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution in fighter design, technology, and aerial dominance. Developed to replace the F/A-18 Super Hornet in the U.S. Navy, the F/A-XX is designed to maintain U.S. air superiority well into the 2040s. At first glance, the F/A-X's sleek, stealthy design immediately stands out. Unlike previous generations, it's built for multi-domain warfare, air, sea, and even cyber domains. Its aerodynamic shape, combined with advanced radar-absorbing materials, makes it extremely difficult for enemy radars to detect. Stealth isn't just about shape anymore, it's about integrating sensors, communications, and weapons in a way that minimizes signature while maximizing lethality. One of the most exciting aspects of the F/A-XX is its speed and maneuverability. Reports suggest it will be capable of hypersonic speeds, giving pilots the ability to strike or evade threats faster than ever before. The jet will likely feature advanced thrust vectoring and adaptive control surfaces, allowing it to outmaneuver even the most agile adversaries in dogfights. Combined with its futuristic flight control systems, this jet is all about dominance in the airspace. But raw power and stealth are just part of the story. The F/A-XX is expected to operate as a network node within a larger fleet of manned and unmanned aircraft. Imagine a battle where this fighter acts not only as a weapon platform but also as a coordinator for drones, electronic warfare systems, and satellite communications. This loyal wingman concept allows unmanned drones to extend the fighter's reach while keeping the pilot safe from frontline threats. The onboard systems are designed for full situational awareness. Advanced AI will assist pilots in threat detection, targeting, and decision-making, effectively acting as a co-pilot. This reduces the pilot's workload and allows faster reactions in complex combat scenarios. In addition, modular weapon bays mean the F/A-XX can carry a mix of air-to-air missiles, long-range precision weapons, and even directed energy systems as they become operational. This makes it incredibly versatile for multiple mission profiles. Another game-changing feature is its electronic warfare capabilities. The F/A-XX is expected to jam enemy radars, intercept communications, and even take control of adversary systems remotely. This isn't just a fighter jet, it's a flying command center capable of shaping the battlefield before a single bullet is fired. The Navy's vision for the F/A-XX also includes carrier operations, which means it will be compatible with the harsh environments of naval aviation. Reinforced landing gear, advanced carrier recovery systems, and high thrust-to-weight ratios ensure it can operate efficiently from aircraft carriers while maintaining all its next-generation capabilities. As we look at the F/A-XX, one thing is clear: this fighter jet isn't just about keeping pace with potential adversaries, it's about staying decades ahead. From hypersonic speeds to AI-assisted combat and networked warfare, this aircraft represents the cutting edge of 6th-generation aviation. The F/A-XX isn't just a fighter, it's a glimpse into the future of aerial combat. For aviation enthusiasts and defense tech fans, the F/A-XX is the ultimate combination of stealth, speed, and technological superiority. Its development shows the U.S. commitment to maintaining unmatched air dominance in the decades to come. If it lives up to its projected capabilities, it will redefine what we expect from fighter jets and set a new standard for future generations of air combat aircraft.